We are at the clothing store and today we will learn how we can speak, how we can talk to a seller. If you want to buy clothes, so what you can do, what you can use in English, today we are going to learn. Now we are going to the seller. We will talk a lot things here. If you want to learn English, so you can be with me. He is the owner and he runs the shop. But now we have to talk to the executive.
Hello sir, how can I help you?
So if an executive asks you, how can he help you? So what you have to do, you have to tell him. If you want to buy clothes, you can just say, I want to buy the clothes. And if you want to just see the clothes, you can just say, I am just browsing here. मतलब अगर आपको खरीदना है तो क्या बोलना है, I want to buy clothes. और अगर आपको सिर्फ कपड़े देखना है, खरीदना नहीं चाह रहे, तो आप बोल सकते हैं, I am just browsing, I am just looking, और I am just looking for something specific. अगर आपको कुछ specific चाहिए.
Do you want anything specific?
Yeah, I am looking for a formal shirt or do you have any casual wear? अगर आपको फॉर्मल क्लोथिंग चाहिए जो अभी मैं पहनाऊं, इन वगैरह करते हैं आप तो उसको फॉर्मल क्लोथिंग बोलते हैं. अगर कैजुअल वेयर बोल रहे हैं तो जो आप रास्ते पर छपरी लोगों को देखते हो या बिना इन करे वाले को देखते हो तो उसे हम कैजुअल वेयर बोल रहे हैं. तो बंदा यही पूछ रहा है कि आपको क्या चाहिए. या आई एम लुकिंग फॉर फॉर्मल शर्ट्स. नाउ वी विल ब्राउज.
Formal shirts and we have formal pants and also we have casual shirts. What size do you wear?
So sometime it happens we do not know our size. What kind of size do we wear, right? So in that sense, you can ask, in that scene, you can ask to the executive that I do not know my size, but still I do know my size. So you can just say, I am looking for 40 size, I am looking for 30 size, whatever you can just say, right? He's asking you about the sizes. So now we will just talk about the prices, right? What kind of prices do they have, right? अगर आप size के बारे में पूछ रहे तो क्या बोलना है कि अगर आपको पता है तो बोल सकते कि I wear 40 size and all, right? So अगर पता नहीं तो I do not know the size, can we just recognize my size and all? You can just say like that, right? So I just want to try this one. Do you have trial room?
Yes, we have trial room.
Now the executive says he has the trial room. After trial, you can just say about the price. You can talk to him about the prices, right? How much does it cost?
You have to ask the owner. This shirt cost you at only 500 rupees.
But sir, this is too much. Can you reduce the price?
It is reasonable.
But can I get the discount?
Yeah, sure. I can reduce the price and I will give you discount.
Thank you so much. I can buy this at any cost. So this was the video where we have learned some ways to buy the clothes at the clothing center. If you have learned something new, what you have to do, you just have to hit that subscribe button and just let me know in the comment section. How did you feel about this video? Thanks for watching. What do they have right now in their shops? We'll just see that.
अगर आप भी चाहते हैं अच्छे रीजनेबल प्राइस में और अच्छे ऑफर के साथ शॉपिंग करना तो आप विजिट कर सकते हैं. हमारी शॉप है. हमारी शॉप का नाम है बॉम्बे मेंस वेयर. एड्रेस रहने वाला है सराफा बाजार, अरब गली, नांदेड़. और आप जैसे कपड़े चाहते हो सारे टाइप के कपड़े आपको मिलेंगे. जीन्स, फैंसी. अगर आप भी रहते हो महाराष्ट्र के नांदेड़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट में और आपको भी करनी है शॉपिंग तो शॉप पे विजिट कर सकते हो. शॉप का नाम है बॉम्बे मेंस वेयर, गली में, दरबार मस्जिद के साइड में. तो आप कभी भी आ सकते हैं. आप सबका वेलकम है.
अब इनकी तरफ ये लो. अब आपको बोलना है हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू.
फ्रेम कैसे आ रही है एक बार बताओ. अरे रुक जाओ. वही तो डायलॉग ही रुक गया. अगर आप भी रहते हो महाराष्ट्र के नांदेड़ स्टेट में, अगर आप भी रहते हो महाराष्ट्र के नांदेड़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट में और आपको भी कर